To use the Cielo Tracker, start by opening Telegram on your mobile device, web, or desktop app. Search for Cielo Free Bot and select one of the options, avoiding the first one as it may be crowded and redirect to a different number. Once you've chosen a bot, start it by clicking on Start or the Start button if available. If the bot is already active, you can proceed to the next step. With the bot active, access the menu by clicking on Menu or the Menu option. From there, select Add to begin tracking a wallet. Choose the type of wallet you want to track, such as a standard wallet, token, or specific blockchain wallet. For this example, select Wallet. You will then be prompted to select the chains you want to track. By default, all chains are selected, but you can uncheck any you don't want to track. Confirm your selection and proceed to the Filters section, where you can also uncheck any filters you don't want. Click Confirm again. Then enter the minimum amount for DeFi alerts if desired, or skip this step. Next, enter the wallet address and label, or name, you want to give it. To find a wallet address, go to a Blockchain Explorer website, such as Photon, and find a wallet you want to track. Click on one of the holders to open the wallet on a blockchain scanner. Copy the address, and return to the Cielo bot. Paste the address and give it a name. Then press Enter. The bot will confirm that the wallet has been added, and you will start receiving alerts for any activity on the wallet. To delete a wallet, hover over the wallet, go to the menu, and select List to view your tracked wallets. Click on Edit next to the wallet you want to remove. Then click Remove and confirm when prompted. Your wallet will be deleted, and you will no longer receive alerts for it.